Welcome! In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to start a video call and a chat on X app. Whether you're connecting with a friend, a colleague, or anyone else, this quick guide will show you exactly how to get started without any confusion. Let's jump right in. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your conversations. The home screen will usually be filled with your main feed, but what we want to focus on is the Messages section. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice a row of icons. Tap on the message icon, which looks like a speech bubble. This will instantly take you to all of your chats and conversations. Here, you'll see a list of recent messages or contacts that you've been in touch with. Next, choose the chat where you want to start a video call. Tap on that conversation to open it. Once inside the chat, take a look at the top of the screen. You'll see several options, including the video call icon. It's usually shaped like a small camera. Go ahead and tap on that icon. The app will immediately start connecting your call. Depending on your internet connection, it might take just a few moments to connect. Once the other person accepts, your video call will officially begin, and you'll be able to talk face-to-face right from inside the X app. It's really as simple as that. Open the X app, tap the message icon, select a chat, and hit the video call button. With just a few taps, you can turn any conversation into a real-time face-to-face interaction. This is a great way to make your conversations more personal, especially when texts aren't enough. Whether you're catching up with friends or discussing something important, video calls give you that extra level of connection. So the next time you're messaging someone on X app and you'd rather see and hear them, just follow these quick steps and start your video call with ease. Thanks for watching.